Imagine a tiny organism that changed human civilization forever. Its invisible work transformed our food and drinks profoundly. Today, we uncover the incredible origin story of fermentation. Specifically, we explore the mighty microbe, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This unassuming yeast revolutionized ancient food preparation methods. From humble dough to frothy brews, its impact is undeniable. This unseen force shaped our diets and cultures deeply. How did humans harness this microscopic powerhouse? Unknowingly, join us to explore centuries of culinary and scientific discovery. Our journey begins thousands of years ago in ancient Egypt. Around 4000 BCE, Egyptians made a remarkable accidental discovery. Leftover dough, exposed to air, mysteriously began to swell. Wild yeast, present everywhere, started consuming sugars, producing gas. This gas created lighter, more palatable, leavened bread. Before this, flatbreads were the universal, unexciting staple food. Leavened bread became a dietary cornerstone and a cultural symbol. Simultaneously, yeast began another transformative journey with grains. Ancient brewers, also in Egypt, created the world's first beers. Fermentation converted sugars in malted barley into alcohol. This provided a safer, more nutritious drink than contaminated water. Beer became a vital part of daily life and religious rituals. Evidence suggests brewing dates back to at least 3400 BCE. These early fermented drinks were thick, nutritious, and very cloudy. For millennia, fermentation remained a mysterious, unexplained process. People knew it worked, but not why or what caused it. Then, in the 19th century, Louis Pasteur unraveled the enigma. In 1857, Pasteur proved yeast was responsible for fermentation. His groundbreaking work established the field of microbiology itself. He demonstrated specific microorganisms cause specific chemical changes. This scientific breakthrough revolutionized brewing, baking, and medicine. Pasteur's discoveries led to controlled, predictable fermentation techniques. Scientists isolated specific yeast strains for desired flavors.
Industrial production of yeast started, ensuring consistent quality.
Companies like Fleischmann's began mass-producing baker's yeast by 1868. This made reliable leavened bread accessible to everyone globally. Today, bakers and brewers choose their perfect Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This careful selection optimizes texture, aroma, and alcohol content. Modern science continues to explore yeast's incredible metabolic capabilities. From ancient accidental rise to modern scientific precision, yeast's journey is a testament to nature's profound chemical power. It reminds us how tiny organisms shape our culinary landscape. The science behind our daily bread and beer is truly remarkable. This invisible force truly changed humanity's gastronomic journey forever. Understanding its origin reveals deep food science and history. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.